guys, Janet here, and this is part of the Monster Hustle playlist here on our YouTube channel, and we are the Mummy and the Monkey. That is named after our Facebook show where we host Cheesy B movies on Friday nights. We are resellers, and we also host classic horror films in character as the Mummy and the Monkey. Well, this is more of a behind the scenes. This is a haul video. Since I decided to not go out and limit how many trips we make to the store, we are not going to be thrifting for a while. Some of the thrift stores in our area in Ohio are open now, but we're going to refrain from going out for a couple weeks just to see how things go. So I did buy, instead of thrifting, I kind of went thrifting on Mercari. I bought a lot of some vintage dolls, some vintage toys, to see if I can research them and make a profit. I paid $28 plus shipping. I think shipping was maybe 10 or 12 bucks. I paid, so $28 plus shipping for this big box, and it did arrive today. So I'm going to do an unboxing and show you out there what the items were, and I have my sanitizer for my hands, and I'm going to check on my phone to see like if some of this could be good. I have a suspicion some of it could be, and that's part of the reason why I bought it. Sometimes on these selling apps, it's almost like an online garage sale where people just want to get rid of stuff. They don't really see a value in some things, and then if you're a reseller and know certain things, you kind of have this feeling like, I should probably get that. So let's open the box up. I did cut the tape because the tape is a pain in the dupa. So the tape was already cut. So, all right, let's see. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Well, everything was put in a big tote bag. So they put everything in this tote bag that was in this cardboard box. So we're gonna have to go through the tote bag to see what's here. It's like a gym bag, a duffel bag. Maybe we should open the little pockets first. Maybe they left secrets in the pockets of the bag. Okay, nothing in this pocket. There's a pocket here on this side. Let's see if there's anything on this side. Okay, that pocket's empty. There's a pocket in the front here. Oh, it's a Puma bag. That's cool. So Puma is a pretty decent brand. It's an athletic brand. So maybe I could either reuse this bag or possibly resell it as like a nice travel bag, gym bag type of thing. Yeah, and it has nothing in these pockets. So everything must be in the main part of the bag. So let's open this up. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's turn this around so I can get a better look at everything and show you guys. Okay, so there's a doll dress. There's a doll dress there. Has a Velcro. Is it branded? Made in the Philippines for Dolls Delight Inc. Fits 17-inch to 19-inch dolls. So there's a vintage doll dress. So there's that. There's a little hat. I wonder if the hat would match. There's a matching hat there. Oh, what's this dude? Oh, he's like a cowboy, like a sheriff. And he has a matching hat. Who is this guy? He looks familiar. There's a tag on him. Gary Cooper. Missing hat, no box. Well, there's a hat there. I wonder if it's the original. He's got cowboy boots on. Let's see what brand he is. I wonder if I could check. I probably have to take his clothes off to see. What brand are you, sir? Dolls, Dreams, and Love 1985 Republic 2. Dolls, Dreams, and Love 1985 Republic. So he's from the 1980s. I don't see any other markings on his back. He had markings on the back of his neck there. I don't know, but it's like right there. So that's interesting. Dolls, Dreams, and Love. And there's his hat. Okay, the next doll, and I saw her and thought she could be good. This is a Tuesday Taylor doll, and I think she's made by Ideal, but what's really interesting is she has shoes in this whole outfit, because I know the outfits are hard to find and the shoes are hard to find. The doll itself, she doesn't always sell for a lot, but because she has all these, you know, all the accessories, she could be good. She has rooted eyelashes and brunette hair, but what's really neat about this doll is you can turn her head around. Does her head spin? Oh, her head might be broken. Uh-oh. Well, maybe it just needs some wiggling, some finagling. But normally you would turn this around and there's blonde hair underneath, and she can switch from blonde to brunette. I wish it was that simple to change your hair color. Just turn your scalp around. It's kind of disturbing, but cool. So yeah, there's a Tuesday Taylor doll from the 1970s. So she could be cool with that outfit. Maybe I could piece it out and just sell like the shoes and the coat, and like, you know, when in doubt, part it out. Yeah, as another reseller said, Commonwealth picker. I like that saying. Okay, here's another doll. Okay, this one's a Pocahontas doll. She's got the long hair. It looks like no one cut her hair, which is good. So she's probably from the 90s. She's Disney, but she's really tall. She's not like a regular Barbie doll. She's marked Disney on the back, but then she's wearing this vintage looking dress. That dress doesn't match her at all. This dress probably went with another doll. So I'm going to take the dress off and see if it has any tags or anything. Any indications, so I know like what she goes to. And I don't see any tags. This is possibly handmade. It is really cute. It's like a little floral dress type of thing, or maybe a robe. So there's that. Maybe it goes to Taylor. I'm not sure, but this is a really big Pocahontas doll. So that's kind of neat. I hope. I just wish she had her original outfit. That would be even better. Alright, so we'll put her down there. And then, oh, there's more clothes. There's like a little jacket here. It looks like it's corduroy. And it looks like it's handmade. You could tell usually by the stitching, if the stitching's kind of, I don't want to say sloppy, but you can kind of tell if it has like a homemade look to it. Here's a little jacket. This looks like it could go to like something. That looks like it was probably made in a factory. Like maybe it goes to a doll. There's a dress here. Maybe it matches the dress. Okay, I think it does, because it has the roses there. Red and white. Red and white, it kind of matches. So let's see if the dress has any tag. And so far I'm not seeing any tags on it. I'll look up on top here. No tags. It's cute though. It's gotta go to something. Gotta go to some dolly. Here's another doll thingy. Lots of doll thingies in here. This is like a little jacket. This looks like it could go to Taylor, or maybe a Tammy doll. Another doll that's made by the Ideal Toy Company. Ideal Toy Corp. There's a little sweater. I'm not sure what the sweater goes to. A little doll sweater. That does not look handmade. That looks like it went to a doll, like you bought it from the toy store. Here's some pants. Little doll velvet pants. Maybe that goes to the cowboy guy. Maybe it goes to him. Ooh, and what's this? So let's see. Oh, this is 1977 Ideal Toy Company, Ideal Toy Corp, MHC 19-H-281. Are there any markings on her back? There's markings on her butt. The butt is marked 1974, Ideal, Hollis, New York, and then it has some numbers. Oh, her hand is damaged. I did not see that in the listing. Her finger looks like maybe part of it was chewed off. That's no good. Her other hand looks okay. Her hair doesn't look too bad. She's a redhead. Short redhead. Kind of reminds me of Molly Ringwald from all those like 80s teen movies. Like Pretty in Pink, The Breakfast Club. But she's cute. I'm not sure on this doll. So there's a lot of dolls here I need to research. Woo! Oh, that's her jacket. Okay, she has a matching jacket. No tags on the clothes. But it's like a pink, like salmon polka dot color. So that's interesting. Alright. Oh, and then there's some dudes. Who are these dudes? This is Disney. Okay, so he looks like a prince, maybe from Cinderella or something. He's a naked prince from one of those Disney cartoons. He's newer, so that's not much of anything. Who are these guys? Are these G.I. Joes? I don't see any markings on him. He doesn't have shoes. Where's his shoes? He looks like a G.I. Joe guy, but he looks more modern. He looks newer. I'm not seeing, he doesn't look vintage to me. He's probably 90s or early 2000s if I had to guess. Alright, oh, there's another guy in here. He looks a little bit older. Are there any markings on him? Mego Corp, 1977, made in Hong Kong. And then on the back of his neck it says 1978 Robert C. Dill. And he's wearing G.I. Joe clothes, but he's not G.I. Joe. He's Mego. So I'm wondering, is he like from the A-Team or something? Or is he like Mego's version of G.I. Joe? I don't know, but he's marked Mego. Mego. But he doesn't have his original outfit. Darn it. But, I guess when you're a kid playing around with these, you're just going to put whatever clothes on them that you want and rip the clothes off. I noticed with a lot of these dolls, people just like rip all the clothes off. Oh, there's a little sandal. This goes to Cindy. S-I-N-D-Y. That's another Ideal doll. There's a tiny little, like a slipper sandal thing. I'll set that there on the couch. Oh, and she's wrapped in a paper towel. I guess they didn't have bubble wrap. Oh, okay, this must be Cindy because there's her other slipper. So cool, this is a Cindy doll. Her hands and feet look like they're in good shape. The hair looks good. She has a little doll stand. So Cindy is an Ideal fashion doll. Kind of like the Tammy doll. She is from the 1960s. So I saw her and I saw the Tuesday Taylor doll, and that's what kind of made me want to get this lot. So I'm going to do a quick search to see what these dolls sell for, to see if I made a good choice. On the back, yeah, it says 1965 Ideal Toy Corp, W123. And it looks like she's wearing like her original outfit. This is just a random doll stand from PG's Dolls. Some toy store. What's this? Oh, this is Tuesday Taylor's cape. This goes to that really tall brunette doll. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple quick searches and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so after doing a little bit of research, I think I can at least double this. The Cindy doll, it looks like, depending on the condition, the pricing's all over the place. It's anywhere from like $15 to $40. This one is in really good condition, and if I fix the hair up and put together some really nice photos where she looks really crisp in the photos, I think I could get between $20 to $30 for her. So just selling one of these would pay for the $28 lot. Now this Tuesday Taylor, the shoes and the outfits looks like they go for like about $18, $20, $25 just for her accessories. So I could piece her out even if her hair doesn't work anymore. And then maybe just sell the doll for like 10 bucks or something. So I think I did all right there. Now these other dolls I'm not sure on. I was focusing mostly on those two. But this is also an ideal doll. I did find out she's a magic hair Chrissy doll from 1977. The only thing is she doesn't have her hair accessories. She had the short hair on purpose because she originally came with little extensions and clip-on things so you could give her like a ponytail or pigtails, different little hairdos. But I think she could still sell, even though she doesn't have her original box and her original hair accessories, because she's in good shape and she has, well, in good shape except for her hand. That's right, she does have that boo-boo on her hand. But I think I could still sell her because she has this cute little dress. The hair and the face look nice, where I think a collector might still want her. So I think I did okay. Of course I have to clean and sanitize everything. I wash my hands good. When the box did arrive, I did Lysol it and let it sit for a while. So, what's this? Oh, that must be a hat that goes to the Chrissy doll. So, there is my doll haul. I do have one more box that's supposed to be arriving in the next couple days. And if it arrives safely, I'll do another haul video. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and put in the comments if you're finding some cool stuff or if you know more about these toys that I found today, that I opened. Thanks again. Bye-bye. I'm Janet Decay the Mummy.
And I'm Grimm Gorri the Monkey.
And together we host
The Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout!
Friday nights on Facebook Live.
Well, that was interesting.
Whoa.
Wow.